Hey everybody.
Hey.
I hope I'm not covering up the microphone, but we are back for 2 minutes at the tent. This is us. That's the tent.
Look, that's like...
We're back at the tent. We're back in our hiker clothes. Pam got some new clothes. I'm still in my same old gray shorts or gray pants and gray shirt and black shirt. But so today we hit... I dropped Pam off at Big Meadows, and then I drove about 7 miles south, and then I started walking north. We drove my truck, which is right over there. So I drove, and she started heading south. So she did about 7 miles. I did about 5 miles because it just took me that long to catch up to her. And then actually we did a little over a 1 mile loop over to Bear Fence Mountain, and we went there what, 3 years ago?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we went back there and reminisced.
Did a rock scramble.
A rock scramble. We'll have videos on that too. But but yeah, that's about, I don't know. Oh, check out what we found at our tent site.
Oh yeah.
Trail magic. Not really trail magic.
Yeah.
But those are wild
Wine berries.
Yeah. They are very sour. They're very a little bit sweet.
They're tasty.
Yeah, they're tasty. It's
good.
It's gonna be a nice dessert after our pulled pork, and Pam has some wild Zora cooking. So we're gonna enjoy our dinner here in about 20 seconds, and then we're gonna get back on the trail tomorrow and keep heading south. We're in Shenandoah National Park. And in a few days we'll be down in Waynesboro and take another day off back home in Virginia Beach. So,
So his leg test was set
good
for the first day as a slack packer.
Yep. So that's 2 minutes. That's the tent. See y'all tomorrow.